Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing Rimuru Tempest. Rimuru, am I saying it right? I don't know. Rimuru Tempest from that time I got reincarnated as a slime. So, moving images around. Okay, I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and an eraser for these and hit pause if I go too fast when I move my hand. You know, if you need to zoom in and out and things like that, you know, use these tutorials whatever way you like. YouTube is great that way. I wish I had YouTube when I was learning how to draw. It would have been great. I would have done so much. Anyway, let's go. So center point of my page approximately here, okay? So our guy Rimuru is got sort of a head tilt going on. The slime is on his shoulder. Right, so yeah, how do you find the head tilts? Do you find them harder to get things in line, or is it like the same? I don't know. You know, if you don't like me doing a head tilt, I can change the character's head to just face forward if you want. Let me know in the comments if it's too hard with a head tilt, and I just won't do the head tilts. But you know, sometimes it's fun. I think it's fun sometimes. Anyway, stop talking. Draw. Up, across, and we'll go curved line, right, for the eyelashes, right? Big eyelashes now in this character, okay? So big sort of curved line like that, kind of like nearly a rainbow line, okay? And then curved line here. So these eyelashes are eyelashes that we color in. So you got to draw the outside edge as well, right? You could do them black if you wanted, but they're blue sort of in this anime, so we gotta like give it extra. So curves around like so, and then we got like eyelashes coming off the top. So then the eye, right? So like a big oval, right? Classic sort of anime, big oval sort of eye. Right, like so, and then the pupil in the middle, an oval as well. And we'll color it black. It's not black in the picture I'm drawn from, but I think it should be black, really. And then shine on the edge of the eye, just there. Then the bottom eyelid is just like a little line down here. And you can have some eyelash lines just on the edge there, right? So for a male character, I think it's a male character. Am I wrong? I think it's male, yeah. And I haven't watched this anime, so I'm not sure. And then this comes up for an eyelid over like that, right? So we're tilted, right? We're head tilted down this way, so we're not like horizontal like we normally would be. So see, sort of diagonal for the eye, slanted down this way, right? So the next eye will start like here, right? And you can nearly fit an eye in between, you know? So like the width of the eye will nearly just fit inside. So if you're wondering how far over you want to go, not like the full eyelash width, maybe like just to the inside of that eyelash will fit inside. So it's a good distance over. And then we'll just curve this around like so. And again, we gotta double this up, right? So we gotta like draw somewhere to color in. So we gotta add these sorts of spikes and things here. They don't have to be the same on both sides. You know, you're just generally trying to get that general sort of shape. You know, you're just curving down and you're adding eyelashes then. All right, so then we just need to add some eyelashes. Just like that kind of thing. And notice the horizontal We're down this way. And then we'll curve a line around for the oval for the eye. All right, so real big. And then his iris, oval shape in here. And then we add a shine or a highlight just there in the corner of the eye. And then move down and add some dots and things. The nose is real easy. You just do that. Mouth, easy enough. Curves around like so. And we got like a kind of a shadow, kind of Demon Slayer style underneath the chin there. Underneath the lip, sorry. And then his chin, pretty pointy sort of chin. Comes down and up, like so. And the eyes are so big, we're not really in like a standard proportion. Oh, I forgot the eyelid line up here. So like we're not, like it's not really sort of, I would say maybe eyelashes to nose is about the same nearly as nose to chin, but maybe top of the eyelid, do you know? Here to here, about the same as here to here. So the nose is halfway between like the very top of the eyes and the chin, right? Just if you're wondering, and then nose to mouth is about halfway between mouth to chin. So it's not normal human proportions. We're just sort of thrown off. It's that kind of anime. Really exaggerated. So then, jaw comes up the side of the face, right? Let me go the other way. Right, and we're still stopping sort of mouth level. You know, that's where we change direction. There's hair that comes down here, but on this side, it goes up sort of standard, you know, the side of his face, like that. And notice the tilt of the head. Okay, so we'll go for the fringe, right? So right sort of in the middle, right? We'll go for some spikes right down the middle of the head, right? So it comes down that way first, and then we got like another one here. And then this comes out like so. And then down to there. And then we go up again, like that way. And then this one, real big up to here, right? That's what we got in the middle of the head. And then they kind of come out down around each side, right? So right down to the eyelashes there. And then back up around to there. And then we'll start going down this way. So another line there. And then curve line down to here. And then we will bring this up like so. Down like that. So it's like there's a strand of hair that comes down this way with strands of hair over it. So then like this comes down there real long. And then we'll go up like that. And then we have a long piece that comes down beside his cheek here. Like so. Spikes back this way. And then another long piece there. And then this comes up like that. All right, we'll go over the other side and just finish the ones over here, and then we'll add eyebrows. So keep carving, adding them. Like so. Another one here. There. Like so. down like so. Another one here. And big long one goes down that way. Spikes back that way. And then this one comes down like so. Back up like that. Right, so this kind of side sticks out maybe a little bit more, but in general, that's the sort of idea for the hair, right? And then we can see some the ear just in here, and we got some lines inside. Can't see the ear on the other side, but we can see an eyebrow just up here. And it's one of those animes where you can see the eyebrow underneath the hair, you know, like all the lines are visible and stuff. Another one there, up and down, like so. So, rest of this hair comes up this way, like this, and another spike here, up like so. And then we got like long flowing hair coming down here, but we gotta kind of do the shoulders first before we're able to do that because the hair is like in behind, okay? So, and there's like a slime sitting on the shoulder. So the neck sort of here sort of curves down like that, right? And then he's got a fur, so he's wearing like a fur collar coming across the neck here, right? So you got all these spikes coming across like this. Some around the back. And in here is like dark shadow. Okay, right, so the rest of that fur, so it kind of comes out here. So we got more spikes and stuff, just coming out the side, like so, and then we'll bring this down around the front. It's like 2 layers. It must be a scarf, actually. That's what it looks like. Like so, and then like so, and then like this, and then the other layer. So it kind of starts here, it goes underneath that slime that's on the shoulder, okay? So we're just adding these spikes down here, but we can't see them because they're sitting on underneath that creature that's on the shoulder. Like so, and there might be some like texture lines and stuff on the inside here. That's some hairlines back here, and then the shoulder on this side will, yeah, we're not too far out, small shoulders, so we're closer into the head here, right? And then we can see the side of the body there, and this arm sticks out, and then we have a slime. So I guess we'll do the slime. So like, it's just a big blob, right? Comes out this way, and then around like this, and then goes back into the head. And it's got eyes that are closed. right? It's got red cheeks, but you need to do that colour in colour, so there's no point sort of drawing them in. And then that goes there. And then the arm sticks off this way. Armpit here, sort of a fold line for the clothing. This comes down up to there. And then we got like lines on his jumper or jacket, like so. Stuff there. And some more of that scarf sort of flying off this way. Like so. And armpit here. Lines coming down like so. Line going down there. And just comes over and down. Right, and then just the rest of that hair. So then, right up at the top of the page, right, we got the top of the head, and then the hair will flow down, right? And like stick out every now and then. Like this, okay? So real long, right? And then there'll be some lines coming down this way. Now hair moves, remember that, so you don't really have to keep it the same as mine. You know, it blows in the wind and stuff like that, so you know, you don't really need to worry about getting it exact when you've long hair like this. You're just going for a general sort of shape. You know, like with some parts sticking off every now and then. That's there, and then maybe like something sticking off here. Going down that way. Right, and then just on the other side of the head, so like just a little bump here, and then we go down towards the slime. Down behind that slime there. Right, and I think that's everything. That is how to draw Rimuru. Hope I'm saying that right. Rimuru Tempest from that time I got reincarnated as a slime. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.